According to the latest trends for the assembly elections in India's states of Maharashtra and Jharkhand, the ruling alliances look set to retain their majorities. In Maharashtra, the BJP-led Mahayuti alliance is leading, and in Jharkhand, the ruling JMM-led India bloc is ahead. Counting of votes is still underway for both the states as well as for by-polls in 2 parliamentary and 48 assembly constituencies. Maharashtra voted in a single phase on November 20th. The state has 288 assembly seats. 2 major political alliances are competing for a majority in the state. The Mahayuti alliance is led by the BJP and includes Chief Minister Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena and Ajit Pawar-led NCP. The opposition alliance of the Mahavikas Aghadi includes the Congress, the Uddhav Thackeray-led Shiv Sena, UBT, and Sharad Pawar's faction of the NCP. Latest trends show that Mahayuti is leading on 226 seats as against the MVA, which is leading on 49 seats. Coming to Jharkhand now, Jharkhand voted in 2 phases, November 13th and November 20th. The state has 81 assembly seats. A fierce contest is being witnessed between the ruling JMM-led India bloc and the NDA led by the BJP. As per the latest trends, NDA ahead on 24 seats, while India bloc is ahead on 56 seats. Also, counting is underway in 2 parliamentary constituencies, Maharashtra's Nanded and Kerala's Wayanad. Speaking of Wayanad, from where Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has made her electoral debut, at present she is leading from the seat. She aims to retain Wayanad for her party after her brother Rahul Gandhi vacated the seat. In Nanded, BJP's Dr. Santuk Rao Marotrao Hambarde is leading. Now, along with this, results will also come today for 48 assembly by-polls that were conducted across 15 states in the country. And also joining us live is a correspondent, Disha Shah, and she is joining us now from Mumbai. Disha, it's been a couple of hours since we last spoke. What is the latest that you can get us from Maharashtra elections?
Well, it looks like a clear landslide victory here for the Mahayuti alliance in Maharashtra because at about 4 p.m. they are leading with 223 seats and Mahavikas Aghadi is at about 53 seats. So these are the latest numbers to go by, and Mahayuti has already crossed the 145 majority number that is needed to form the alliance or to form the government here in Maharashtra, and the gap is too huge. We understand that by 6 or 7 p.m. the counting will be concluded, and we will get to know the final total of number of seats that both Mahayuti, Mahavikas Aghadi as well as the independent candidates have won all together. But definitely the celebrations have begun. The sweets are distributed right at the Mahayuti camp. We also saw Chief Minister of the state, Eknath Shinde, talking to the media, thanking voters about the landslide victory. He also mentioned saying that how it was important for them to have this victory for these elections, considering the poor performance that they had delivered during the Lok Sabha. In fact, even the Deputy Chief Minister of the state, Devendra Fadnavis, spoke to the media and said now the plan ahead is to appoint the next chief minister of the state, and there is no dispute about it. All the 3 parties, the BJP, Congress and the Shiv Sena, are going to sit down after the counting today is concluded, and they will decide as to who will be the next chief minister of the state, and there is no dispute row at all. In fact, what we understand that on 25th of November, the BJP is also planning the legislative party meet. And according to the sources, on 26th of November, if the numbers, final outcome really talks about Mahayuti winning, then the oath-taking ceremony will also take place on 26th of November in Maharashtra.
Disha, very interestingly, the BJP has secured more number of seats, or rather leading in more number of seats than the current Chief Minister's party. Do you perhaps see a bit of a tussle there in terms of who the next Chief Minister of the state is going to be?
Well, before the voting, as well as before, and when the election campaign did really start, from that time onwards, two names were doing the rounds for the position of the Chief Minister. One is Eknath Shinde, who's the current Chief Minister, and secondly, Devendra Fadnavis, who's current Deputy Chief Minister, and he's always earlier been the former Chief Minister of Maharashtra as well. So there was no doubt about it that these two were the top two contenders for the Chief Minister's post here in Maharashtra. And now, of course, keeping in mind that the BJP has the highest percent of the leading winning share among, if you compare it with Shiv Sena and Congress, and it will certainly be up to the party leaders to decide. But as per the latest statement by the BJP's Devendra Fadnavis, he said that there is no dispute at all. So it will be very interesting to see that what collective decision the alliance takes all together in the meeting that likely will take place in a day or two.
Thank you, Disha, for joining us with those details. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.